Good day everyone, my name is Taeyuya and I am here to present my individual project called Banking Management System, built by using Python. This system is designed to work like a real bank where you can register an account, log in, check your balance, deposit or withdraw money, transfer funds, and also view your transaction history. It also makes sure that all your data is secure and saved properly between sessions. So to manage the user accounts, I use Python list in the code at line 58. So I created a list called self account inside the bank class. This list stores all the account objects, which is like a collection of all the bank users. Each account has the user's name, ID, password, balance, and a list of past transactions, which acts like a record book for each person. So to save and load the data, I use a text file called account text in line 15 until 21. So I use the to dictionary method to turn each account into dictionary so it can be saved. Then in line 61, I save that list of dictionaries to the file using the save accounts function. Later, when the program starts again, the system runs to read the file and rebuild the accounts. So this way, all user data stays safe even after the program is closed, like a basic version of real database. So for user login and registration, I wrote the code in line 100 until 144. So when user register, they need to provide a name, password, and the first deposit amount. Their account is saved with a unique ID. Later, during login, user can enter either their name or ID and the system will find their account. This search happened in line 70, 71 until 77. So where I use a case incentive search algorithm that goes through the list to match the input. This covers the searching requirement of the project. So now for the main banking actions, I created three important methods inside the account class, which is deposit in line 28, withdraw in line 35, and transfer at line 42. So each one include checks like making sure the amount is not negative and that the balance is enough before proceeding. So every successful action is also saved into the history list. Then when the user choose to view their transaction history, the system show it that at line 208. So this history works kind of like a stack or queue to store what the user has done. So for reporting features, I added sorting using Python's sorted function and a lambda expression at line 86. So that user can see all accounts sorted by how much money they have. So this means the part for the project that needs sorting algorithms. The system also checks for data integrity. For example, users can't deposit or withdraw negative amount and you are not allowed to transfer money to your own account. So these checks are handled around line 1, like 164 until 203. So also user can delete their own account with confirmation. Once deleted, their data is removed and change are saved immediately using save account function. So this keep everything consistent and avoid errors. Now I'm going to show you how my banking management system works using a full example. I will register two users, which is Alice and Bob, and walk through the main feature of the system. So run it. First, we start at the main menu where users can either register or log in. So I choose register. And I create an account for Alice by entering her name, password, and initial deposit. Name, password, and we can put like 1000. So the system give her a unique ID and confirm the registration. Next, I do the same for book. Register, book, password, and here we can put something like 500. So now we have two users in the system. Once both are registered, I log in as Alice. So after login, the system shows all the options like checking balance, depositing money, withdrawing, transferring, and so on. So the first thing I do is select view balance. And it shows 1000. Then I go ahead deposit 200. The system says deposit successful and the new balance has become 1200. Next I withdraw 150. So it go through since the balance is enough. So Alice has 1050, and I try out the transfer feature. Choose transfer money, enter book name, and transfer 300 to him. So the system find Bob, checks the balance, and confirm that the transfer was successful. So to check all the actions I just did, I go to transaction history. So it lists everything, the deposit, the withdrawal, and the transfer. This helps keep a record of all activity for the user. Then I log out. I log out as Alice and log in as Bob. So when I view Bob balance, it shows 800. We confirm that he received the 300 from Alice. I also open book transaction history, and it shows he received 300 from Alice's account. Lastly, I test the reporting feature by choosing list all account by balance. So the system displays both Alice and Bob with their updated balance sorted highest to lowest. Once done, I log out and exit the program. All data is saved to a file, so everything is still there the next time I run the program. So after can restart. So after restarting, you can log in, Alice, password. So we can try the delete my account. Yes. The system removed her account and locked her out. So when I log in as Bob, when I listed all accounts afterward, only Bob account appear. So it proves that the delete function works and updates the data correctly. So in conclusion, This project covers all the main goals. It uses important data structure like lists to store account data, include search and sort algorithm, manage data using a file-based system, and make sure all transactions are secure and reliable. Working on this system helped me improve my skills in designing programs that work like real-world banking apps, and I learned a lot about how to keep data set and accurate using Python. So thank you everyone for taking the time to watch my video. Hope you guys have a nice day. Thank you.